You have finished your macrame piece and now you need to make a hanging cord for your work. I'm going to show you how to complete the constrictor knot for your hanging cord. You just finished your piece and now you need to tie a constrictor knot for a hanging cord. Let me show you how to do so. Start by flipping your work to the back and cut a hanging cord the length that you want it, plus about 8 to 9 inches extra to work the tail. Leave around 9 inches and then put the rest of your cord on the side. You're going to take this tail and go around your dowel to the right, up and around your dowel again on the inside of this cord, and it will look like an X. And then you're going to take that tail, pull out that little X, and put the tail through and pull tight. You'll pull the tail and the other part of your hanging cord. It creates that little X, and the more you pull, the tighter your constrictor knot will be. Once you finish the first side, make sure you test out about how much you want left over. I know I want to hang it about here, and then just kind of grab the cord where you know you're going to start your next knot. So move over to the next side. Again, place it against the dowel. You're going to take your tail, wrap it around your dowel to the left this time, creating that X. Again, wrap it around the front and always go on the inside of your hanging cord in your piece. You'll wrap it around and again, push the tail through the hole of the X. So go ahead and pull it out if you need to. You're going to grab the end of it and pull on the tail and the top of your hanging cord, and that tightens it. Again, the more you pull each cord, the tighter your constrictor knot is going to be. And go ahead and trim up what you want. And this is what the front will look like of your constrictor knot. Looks like just a regular attached lark's head knot, and that is how you hang a constrictor knot. It is super secure. I know that this plant is not going to fall, this is not going to come out, and that is how to make the constrictor knot. I hope that helped.